New this morning, exclusive details on a significant legal challenge to the case against the convicted killer of Holly Bobo. News Channel 5's Nick Barris live from our 5 Alert Center. And Nick, Bobo's killer now seeking a new trial 5 years after he was convicted. So what have you learned?
5 years later, Ben, that's right. I've obtained an exclusive copy of what is an almost 200-page motion, very detailed, arguing that Zach Adams deserves a new trial. And this was, of course, a very high-profile case that many people followed. There is Adams, who was sentenced to life in prison in 2017 for the kidnapping, rape, and first-degree murder of the 20-year-old nursing student in Decatur County. Now, Adams was convicted largely on a case of circumstantial evidence. The lengthy, detailed appeal makes several legal arguments for a new trial, alleging, among other things, that the judge made several errors, including showing bias with statements made against the defense in front of the jury. The motion also argues there was not any DNA or any other evidence linking Adams to Bobo's murder, and that a key witness fabricated his testimony. Now, it's important to note that in almost all life sentence cases like Zach Adams, there is always an appeal, and they really do rarely succeed. But in the Holly Bobo case, legal experts I have spoken to who have looking closely at this case, they say there are significant issues that will be considered by the Tennessee State Court of Appeals, Ben.
Okay, Nick, so, as far as the timetable's concerned, what about this appeal moving forward now?
My understanding is it's moving forward. There have already been hearings underway on the motion, and the appellate court could issue a ruling on whether or not there will be a new trial before the end of the year. The state has already filed a motion in response to the request for a new trial, arguing that Zach Adams received a fair trial, was convicted by a jury, and is indeed Holly Bobo's killer. Now, I'm going to have much more coming up tonight on this exclusive story at News Channel 5 at 5 and 6.